Namaste, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया. I am JVN Dr. Anamika Aherwar, Associate Professor in the Department of Science and Technology at Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to take the lecture on the subject name Production and Operations Management. Now this is a session of production system. This batch production is the part of types of production system. In this I am discussing one of the types of production system. These are the following hits which I have covered in this session. What is production? Types of production system, batch production, advantages of batch production, disadvantages of batch production. Now come to what is production, because if some people, if you are not watching my previous videos, then for just coordination, or you can say connectivity, I need to mention here the production system or the production definition. Okay, so production is basically a process that puts intangible inputs like ideas, creativity, research, knowledge, wisdom, etc. in use of action. It is a way that transforms tangible inputs like raw materials, semi-finished goods and unassembled goods into finished goods or commodities. Now these are the types of production systems in which I have already discussed about job production in my previous video, and in this lecture I am discussing about batch production system, and rest of the I will discuss in my later videos. Okay, so the batch production system is the production of a given quantity of goods, that is a number of units is a similar specification, right? So there may be repeat orders for these goods, but there is no continuous flow of production. And the batch production resembles job production in that these are basically specialist goods made to fit customers' requirements, but it differs in that the cost of production can be spread over a number of units, so allowing firms more scope to invest in new machinery. Okay, so this is example of batch production. Example of batch production, this might be aircraft engine for a given type of aeroplane. Okay, so this you can say a batch production. Now the advantages. The benefits of batch production includes making in batches reduces unit cost, can still address specific customer needs, example size, weight, style, use of specialist machinery and skills can increase output and productivity. Now come to the disadvantages. The drawback of batch production include time cost switching between batches, that is machinery may need to be reset, need to keep stocks of raw materials, cash also investment in work in progress, potentially demotivating for staff. Now this is all about batch production system, and this is a question for the practice. What is the role of batch production in production system? Thank you. This session powered by digital version 2.0 Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.